guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I am super excited for today's video because I wanted to do this for the longest time ever, to finally go through all of my clothes and do this massive declutter and just like cleanse my space. I was definitely never a fast fashion addict or that type of a person. I don't like hoarding things, but I'm also human and I feel like I've made some mistakes and fell through some cracks and was not always being like true to myself. I feel like I was influenced by social media and just consumerism, even though I always thought I'm not. So I am trying to move back to more mindful and just like minimal approach to materialistic things and how many things I own. Yeah, throughout the years, let's say that I've accumulated a lot of things. So today's exercise, well actually today's and yesterday's and the day before, this is already like my third day of the whole project. So I started this like 2 days ago, but I had a lot of things, to be honest, so I couldn't do everything in one day. I have one major closet space, which is our walk-in closet, and then I have a couple of things like my coats are in my office, and that's what I'm going to go through today. My closet, like my actual big closet, I already did in the past 2 days, so you're gonna see that now. And yeah, let's start cleaning up and decluttering, and let me show you where I started, and then we'll talk at the end when everything is done. So here, this whole side is pretty much my clothes, including these drawers. I have some dresses and stuff hanging here, and then here is this bench, which I hate because it always becomes like super cluttered and like full of our stuff, because we just kind of like pile our things here. And I have also some things in the little suitcase, and then here I have some clean laundry that needs to be put away, that my cleaner left here yesterday. Some more shoes. So yeah, it's quite a lot. I don't know, you guys, I don't know, for me this is like too much. It's like, it's really cluttered, and I just don't wear all these clothes. So this is what we're dealing with today. I'm super pumped, and yeah, let's start cleaning and organizing. Okay guys, I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties, so I thought my spare battery was fully charged, but it's not, and this one is about to die. So I decided to run out quickly and grab myself lunch, because I will have to eat eventually and I don't want to like waste time preparing something. So I'm gonna go downtown and grab myself some lunch. In the meantime, I'm going to leave the battery to charge, and I've just put on my little cropped sweater on top, which is so old, but I love it so much. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. So yeah, I just put this over my white tee, leggings, my dad sneakers that I'm obsessed with. These are literally my favorite sneakers at the moment. And I have my big tote bag. Pretty casual, I don't really care. I'm just going to run in and out and get myself some lunch. this part and the drawers down here. everything is done. Now I'm moving to this section right here, which is by far the worst. I think I'll have the biggest number of things that I'll get rid of from this section over here. So before I go ahead and move on to the remaining part, I need to go and make myself a coffee because I started becoming sleepy. And this is the pile so far of the things that I'm getting rid of. Not bad, I'm quite happy. So I am officially done, well, almost done. I still have to sort everything, like the things that are going away. I still need to sort that, go through them, and just decide like what do I give to my family, what do I give to my housekeeper. And then I also need to get rid of a couple of things from those top shelves, but it's just, I mean, I'll just need to take it down and put it in the same pile. So I am pretty proud of myself. And let me just show you what's going on right now in the room. It's a little bit messy, but I mean, very soon I'm going to sort and just like take everything out. But let me just show you. So these are all the hangers that I took out of my closet. It's incredible how many. And this is the pile of clothes that I am getting rid of. I am really proud of myself, you guys. It's a lot of clothes. And these are all of the shoes. I didn't know I will have so many shoes. It just like didn't seem that many when they were on the shelves. But yeah, it's quite a lot. So I'm going to take a break now, get some water, and probably start editing this video. And I think I will finish sorting and putting everything in bags tomorrow morning because I want to go to the gym. I don't want to go too late because I want to have dinner earlier tonight. And then I'll talk to you guys later. We are in my office now and it's a little bit dark here, but I don't have that much light in this room, so it is what it is. In this little storage here, I have my coats and just like my thicker jackets. We will go through this together. So let me just put you guys somewhere where you can see me, and let's declutter this closet as well. These are all of the coats that I will be keeping, and these I will give away. As you can can see, everything is in pretty much the same place, but it's just refreshed, decluttered, and I am so happy with the outcome of my little project. It took me more than 2 days, but it was very well worth it, and now I'm super pumped and excited to just like wear my clothes, create new outfits, and get better use of things that I have. I'm really satisfied. I hope you all enjoyed this video, found it entertaining or inspirational or both. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means so much to me. Thank you all for coming back. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.